We are playing today, so Daddy's touching with me, so we are awesome making food for us, and then
what are we making?
This.
What are we making today?
We making this.
Some of that.
Yeah.
What else? Some of that.
And we some of that. And we some of this.
A little bit of that.
A little bit of salt.
So we got some LightLife. So you say LightLife? LightLife.
I can't see it.
It's right there.
This is vegetable broth. And we also have salt.
Some salt.
And we have a little one for me.
And we got some pasta. Ancient grains.
Ancient grains.
That's tomato paste.
Yeah.
Tomato paste.
Yeah.
Tomato paste.
Yeah.
And what are these? What are these? What are these?
I don't know.
It's red.
Red.
You eat it in your spaghetti. What is it?
I don't know.
Okay. It should take about 20 minutes. It should take about 20 minutes.
Can I open it?
We'll see. Yeah. Can we wait a little bit though? We gotta cut everything. All right, cool. Hey everybody, no formal recipe for this, just kind of getting down in the kitchen. As you can see, we use the LightLife ground, which is about 12 ounces. It equates to about a pound of beef. Then we throw in some diced onions with it, and then add some broth. Now, this tomato sauce mixture is basically canned tomatoes, tomato paste, a little bit of agave nectar, as well as some spices, which are oregano and basil, probably about a tablespoon of each, and then adding a little bit of Himalayan salt to balance out the flavor. Now, you should already be boiling your noodles at this point. Your noodles should be boiling probably before the LightLife. The LightLife is not going to take too long to simmer. And as you can see, once you finish boiling those noodles, you'll just drain, go ahead and pour, quick and easy, just like all of our recipes for the most part. Then add, your favorite seasoning to taste. If you want to add, a little bit of vegan cheese, plenty of brands out there. You can go ahead and add that as well. Add a little garnish to it. And there you have it, another meatless option. Don't forget, if you need our services, www.57flavors.com, www.podout.com. We'll see y'all later.